I'm at Welford Road today in Woodley, and I'm really delighted to show you this 3-bedroom family home. The current owners have been here for several years now and did a full refurbishment of the property when they bought it, including the extended entrance hall. You'll see in our photos a brick-edged, raised and levelled garden. There is driveway parking, garage. The house is beautiful inside, refitted kitchen, bathroom, everything redecorated, really presented to a really high standard. So without further ado, let's go inside and have a look. Okay, walking through the front door, you've got a very nice spacious entrance hall with a glass and oak balustraded staircase, oak panelled doors, this one to a storage cupboard, and doors to lounge, kitchen, and also into the downstairs WC. As you'll see, everything is really nicely presented, very modern, as updated by the current owners. We've got the oak wood flooring as well, which runs through into the lounge dining room. So we've got a nice spacious dual aspect room. Nice and light. There is a nice feature around the just below the ceiling. This reveal that you can hopefully see in the camera does have some concealed lighting, so a nice sort of effect of an evening. And this room again, from an entertaining perspective, you've got the twin doors, pocket doors, which lead into the kitchen, which can easily be closed to give you a more cosy lounge or kitchen area. Nice breakfast bar, tiled flooring, and then kitchen with range of built-in appliances, fridge, freezer, 5-ring gas hob, double oven, dishwasher, large ceramic sink. View out into the garden. And then in this corner over here, got a nice little utility area. So there is a washing machine concealed there behind the door. Plenty of storage, low voltage downlighters, really nice place to be, great for entertaining, all very nicely presented. So when we reach the first floor, we've got a nice landing area with large window, so plenty of light, again with the oak and glass balustrading to the stairs. We'll start with the master bedroom, which is a very generous double frontal aspect window. We've got a large built-in double wardrobe, even space for the exercise bike there in the corner. Look. Yeah, really nice sized room. To my right now is the family bathroom. Again, all refitted. Nice tiled floor, WC wash basin and large bath, fully tiled walls. Across the landing, this is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms, which is still a very good size. Certainly plenty big enough for a bed and storage, again with frontal aspect window. And as you can see, it's used more as an office and dressing room at the moment. And then third and final bedroom, again nice large window, very light. Space for a double-sized bed and also a further wardrobe as well. Okay, heading out into the garden from the kitchen. It's a really nice sized garden with a lot of privacy and several choice areas for that family barbecue, early evening glass of wine as you prefer. So a good sized area of lawn with a large decking area at the far boundary. Again with trees for some shade, but very nicely done. Turning the camera back round, looking back towards the house. And then you will also see here we've got a further sunken decked area where we've got some seating. This is also the rear of the garage. Garage is single in size, but there's plenty of driveway parking. And you'll also see there's a side gate giving you access front and back. So that concludes the video for this property. I hope you'll agree as much as I do. The property is in fantastic condition and really is worthy of an early appointment to view. Sure to get a lot of interest. So please do get in touch with the office. We'd be delighted to get you booked in for a viewing in the next few days. And we look forward to meeting you and showing you around. Thanks for watching.